In this video I will show you how to download videos on Pinterest mobile app. So let's start. First open the application and go here and watch videos. Now you would like to download this video, so if you click on these three dots here, there is no option for download this video. So you just copy the link, so click here, copy the link. Okay, and now we're going to use Chrome. And now just search Pinterest video downloader. Okay. And the first one, this website, this exact website is the right website. So click on it. And now we're gonna paste the link here. So paste it and click download. Okay, and this is your video. So if you click on these three dots, you can download this video. Okay, and now we can open it. And we just download the video. And this is how can you do it. This is pretty easy. I'm gonna show you I download this video. So video, there is it. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you one more time. So what do you do? Click on Pinterest. You go on some video you would like to download. I like this one. Click here, copy the link, search. Where is it? Okay. Search Pinterest video downloader. Click on this website, not other website, this one. It's very important. Click here, paste it, and click download. Just wait a few seconds, and this is your video here. And if you click here, you can download it, and that's it. This is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel so I can do more videos like these in the future, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.